Today, I'm going to show you how to create a write-on text effect in DaVinci Resolve 20, step by step, using the built-in Text Plus title. This is a really useful effect for intros, tutorials, social media edits, and any video where you want your text to appear as if it is being written on screen. And the best part is, you can do it right inside DaVinci Resolve without any extra plugins. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open the Edit page by clicking the third icon from the left at the bottom center of the interface. This is where you'll be working with your timeline and adding the text effect. Once you're on the Edit page, look up to the top left corner and open the Effects library. The Effects library is where all of your titles, transitions, generators, and effects are stored. Inside the Effects library, go to Toolbox, then click Titles. Scroll through the available title options until you find Text Plus. This is the title we need because it gives you much more control than a basic text layer. Now drag the Text Plus title onto your timeline and place it on video track 1. Make sure it lands in the section of the timeline where you want the text animation to happen. After that, click on the Text Plus clip in the timeline so it becomes selected. You should see a red border around it once it is highlighted. This tells you the clip is active and ready to edit. Now go to the Inspector panel in the top right corner of the screen. If the inspector is not already open, click it to bring it up. Then make sure the Video tab is selected because that is where the text settings are located. In the inspector, find the text box and type in the words you want to animate. This can be a title, a callout, a name, or any message you want to reveal with the write-on effect. Once your text is entered, scroll down until you find the Text subtab settings. At the bottom of that section, you'll see the write-on slider. This is the main control that creates the writing animation. Now move your timeline playhead to the very beginning of the Text Plus clip. This is an important step because the animation needs to start from the first frame of the text layer. With the playhead at the beginning, drag the right-hand handle of the write-on slider all the way to the left. When you do this correctly, the text should disappear from the viewer. That means the animation is ready to start from nothing. Next, look next to the write-on slider and click the diamond-shaped keyframe icon. When the keyframe is set, the diamond will turn red. That red diamond tells you Resolve has recorded your starting point for the animation. This first keyframe captures the hidden state of the text. Now move the playhead forward on the timeline to the point where you want the text to finish writing on. The farther you move it, the longer the animation will take. If you want a quick reveal, keep it short. If you want a smoother, more dramatic write-on effect, give it a little more time. With the playhead in the new position, drag the right-hand handle of the write-on slider all the way back to the right. As soon as you do that, DaVinci Resolve will automatically create a second red keyframe at this later point. This second keyframe tells Resolve to animate the text from fully hidden to fully visible across the selected time range. At this point, your write-on text effect is basically complete. To check your work, press spacebar to play the timeline and watch the animation back. You should see the text write on from left to right, just like it is being drawn onto the screen. If it feels too fast or too slow, just adjust the distance between the two keyframes until it looks right. And that's the full process for creating a write-on text effect in DaVinci Resolve 20. It's simple, clean, and a great way to make your titles feel more dynamic and professional. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.